Okay guys, so in this video we'll be talking about fair value gaps. A fair value gap occurs when price moves into one direction really quickly, in which it leaves this sort of imbalance, which we call fair value gap. What do I mean by imbalance? What I mean by that is this empty space in which what happens with this empty space is price will eventually have to rebalance itself into the space. So in the future, we can't see price coming to this fair value gap. Now let's look at some previous examples from the past where we see fair value gaps being filled in. So for example, if we look right here, we can see that price aggressively shoots down, leaves an imbalance in which there is nothing in front of it, and price eventually comes back and fills it in. To look at more examples, we can see a fair value gap in here where there's nothing in front of it. Price eventually comes back up to fill it up. We can see a gap in here where price comes back to fill it up. We can see all of this imbalance or fair value gap. Fair value gap equals imbalance, same word. We can see all of these imbalance or fair value gap being filled in. As you can see right here, comes back up. Fair value gap being filled in. Price eventually comes back up to fill it in. Another example right here. There is nothing in front of it. There is nothing in front of it, and what eventually happens is price comes and fills this emptiness, fair value gap or imbalance in. And that's exactly what a fair value gap is. Nothing too complicated.